Hello guys, once again I would like to welcome you to this Resolution 2021 series in which I would like to discuss with you 7 habits or 7 daily habits for success. So first was to-do list, second is a morning routine. I'll not take much of your time. I know time has its own value, especially in terms of this YouTube video, because we have lots of stuff available on this platform. Yeah. So I would like to give an example of Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. As per his statement, he has said that for last 25 years, he hasn't ever taken a sleep of more than 4 hours a day, or 5 hours maybe, if I'm wrong, or if I'm not able to recollect it perfectly. So 4 to 5 hours. So when I started inquiring about what are the ways and means through which I can also reduce my sleep quota and increase my activity stuff, especially in the morning. So I also started doing meditation. I also started doing certain exercises and certain spiritual practices. When I say spiritual practices, it does not mean doing some rituals like this, right? It's just about doing some scientific processes, maybe breathing techniques or yoga or exercises, and especially meditation. So if you do this thing, then in the morning itself you would have done lots of your work that you were supposed to do throughout the day. Thereby you can have more time for your hobbies, for your personal life, for your social activities. And this is how I have also been doing things. So when I share this habit number 2, which says that you should prepare a morning routine which helps you utilize your time effectively, then you should add certain meditation practices, certain exercises, and to-do list will help you to do this. So when you go for the rule 2, or I should not say rule 2, I should say habit number 2, then habit number 1 is the foundation of all this. So I hope this second habit of making a morning routine effective will surely help you in one way or the other way. And once again, I would like to thank all of you, especially those who participated through their comments. Of course, I would like to name them. Dhara Bhatt, Miss Sachi Shah, Laksh Saini, a very regular and consistent participant on this channel. One more student I would like to name is Meet Nayak. And of course, I would like to thank specially to Dr. Tapan Patel. He has said that he has also been following this routine for last many days or months or years. So it's very motivating for me too to know that there are participants who are participating through their comments, and I hope it doesn't matter if you participate through comments or not, but at least making some value additions to your life through this channel. Thank you and bye-bye.